Are you new to inbound marketing and feeling a bit over your head? Take a few deep breaths. Getting started with inbound in Minneapolis can feel daunting, but with this step-by-step guide, you'll master inbound marketing in no time. Hello, I'm Dave Meyer with BusyWeb, and this is the step-by-step guide to Minneapolis inbound marketing. Step 1. Set SMART goals. If you don't know what you're marketing toward, it's pointless to pour resources into inbound marketing. Before you set off your journey, make sure you set some SMART goals. SMART goals are specific, your goal needs to be unambiguous and clear. Measurable, you should define a concrete way of measuring progress towards your goal. Attainable, it needs to be realistically achievable for your team. Relevant, your goal needs to make sense for your business and overall business goals. And timely, it's important to set a time limit on goals to keep them in check. With these criteria, you can go beyond a vague idea to something more solid. An example SMART goal, we want to see at least 10 downloads of our ebook each month. Step 2, create buyer personas. Now that you know what you want to achieve, it's important to know who you exactly want to reach. Buyer personas are fictional, generalized representations of your ideal customers. The strongest buyer personas are based on market research, as well as on insights you gather from your actual customer base through surveys, interviews, and more. If you're new to personas, aim for 3 to 5 to have a solid foundation. We have a few guides on how to create personas that you can find links to in the description of this video. Step 3, keyword research. Armed with your goals and ideal customer in mind, it's time to start getting into specifics of your Minneapolis inbound marketing campaign. Keywords are the vehicle to getting your website found online. What would your ideal customer search for online to find you? For BusyWeb, it's phrases like web design Minneapolis or what is inbound marketing. Keyword research is an involved but important process in your marketing strategy. Step 4, create assets. In marketing lingo, assets are the actual content offers you'll use in your marketing to draw people in. This can be blog posts, online ads, social media images, emails, and more. For inbound marketing, you'll want to take what you learned in steps 1 through 3 to create a valuable content set to build a campaign around. This could be an ebook, an online quiz, a checklist, a template, even a game. Whatever it is, it should be built with your personas in mind. Step 5, set it live. Once you have the meat of your inbound marketing strategy ready to go, it's time to put it in action to start getting found in Minneapolis. It's time to turn on your advertising, set up automation, and plan and schedule content. During this stage, it's vital to map out all your content beforehand and make sure it's all working together. That's where a marketing tool like HubSpot comes in. Streamline all your content assets into clear pathways that lead your personas to your end goals. Step 6, analyze. When your inbound marketing is live, it's important to treat it like a living creature. Make sure to consistently monitor your performance and adapt your strategy as needed. No matter how much research you do, you'll still have to adapt once your content is out in the wild. You may find that people aren't clicking on buttons, or that blogs you didn't think would see as much engagement are a runaway success. Once you have your initial data, follow steps 3 through 6 again with your discoveries. With this handy step-by-step guide, you're on your way to getting results with your inbound marketing in Minneapolis. Need a new digital marketing or web design plan? BusyWeb is a Minneapolis SEO, digital marketing, social media marketing, web design, and HubSpot marketing inbound agency. We're located just outside of Minneapolis. Stop on by and get started. And while you're here, pick up a free honey stick. Yeah, we do love our bee-related themes.